Welcome to my channel, Shojib Digital Growth. Today's topic is connect Google Tag Manager to a WordPress website. First of all, we will create Google Tag Manager account. Search Google Tag Manager. Already I have an account. Now I want to create a new account. Click Create Account, account name, anything. Please select this tick mark. Website, website link. Copy the URL. Simply paste the link and remove this. Select this tick mark. Yes. Now we can see a pop-up. We don't need this. This is our Google Tag Manager account. Now I'll go. I will go our website dashboard section. First, I go to my website. This is my case study, our website. Simply click the dashboard. This is our website dashboard section. Now I will install a plugin. Click add plugin. Search GTM for WP. This is our plugin. Install now. And again click activate. Okay. Now this is our plugin. And now I click settings option and again go to Google Tag Manager account and copy this code. Go to WordPress dashboard and simply paste the code. Save changes. And then check container code must be it needed to on. Save change. Okay. Now I need to check whether the Google Tag Manager is connected. For checking this, we need a Chrome extension whose name is Google Tag Assistant extension. Click this URL and click Add to Chrome, Add extension. Okay. Now I pin this and again go to Google Tag Manager. Now I will go in preview, click preview. Paste website link. and click connect button. Okay. Okay. Tag assistant connected. Now go to previous tab. Tag assistant connected. Continue. Yes, tag assistant connected. Now the tag manager is connected to the website. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting this type of videos and Google Ads related videos.